Okay. Harper and Bracken meeting.
For the first time.
For the first time.
in forever. What is this? Who's this?
It's Bracken. Be gentle. Say hi. Can you make hi? Oh, you want to come here? Come here.
Do you want me to take him? Let's see what they do.
Be gentle. Look at her smiling.
Aww.
He's smiling. Is he cute? Say hi. Oh, now Bracken's smiling. You want to hold hands? You going to hold hands with him? Say hi.
Aww. Hi.
Hi. Do you think he's cute? Be very gentle. Very gentle. Yeah. Do you like him? Yes. Hold his hand right there.
Yeah, he's got his hands are just as big as hers.
Yeah. They both have those little dimples.
Is he the cutest? You want to come sit down?
How old is he now?
5.5 months.
I thought he was older than that.
Gonna sit? Nope, he says I don't want to sit. He's gonna jump. What do you do? Is he handsome?
Say hi, Harper. Hi.
Is he trying to,
Oh.
is he trying to talk to you? You waving at him? Gotta be gentle. You have to be gentle.
Oh, there's the face plant.
You have to be gentle.
That's stiff arm.
Did she say hi to you? Did she say hi to you? Oh, that's some drool to commemorate the moment. Be gentle. Come here. And go away.
Hi, Harper.
Let's put Bracken in the wall.
Big smiles.
Okay.
Oh, you guys hugging?
Oh, there's some throat clothes. About to be thrown here.
Maryland's gonna give you kisses.
You'll know they're really family when they get a little bigger and start fighting.
No, she's
That's
smiling.
my toy. Not the most coordinated first hello I've ever seen.
Say hi. You like him? Look at those smiles. Huh? Ooh, is he cute? Ooh. Yeah. Gentle. Gentle. You can touch his head, and not his face.